I'm Yegor, and this is my channel Yegor Creative. Here in my channel, I have tried everything, but today I have decided to go ahead and make some amazing tutorials about web development. If you are looking some answers, what it takes to make a website, from coding to a development, here you will find them. I promise my information will be always updated. You won't find anything like this in any other channels, and most of all, you will get some answers. To always be updated what's going on in my channel, you can simply subscribe to it, but it's up to you.
And what about this internet thing? Do you know anything about that?
Sure.
What the hell is that exactly?
Well, it's become a place where people are publishing information.
Right.
So everybody can have their own homepage, companies are there, the latest information. It's wild what's going on. You can send electronic mail to people. It is the big new thing.
Yeah.
Seriously, the internet is everywhere. Those websites that used to call them homepages now can do more than they could ever do. They are more interactive. You can even put your email there and answer email just from the website. And some websites, when I visit them, they actually look like they are so old and they need so much help. So if your website was built long time ago, stay along. You might get some good help here. Here in my channel, my goal is to help you to update your websites, to teach you even the pictures you are adding on your website, how to optimize them. When someone opens your website, they upload very fast. You see, the fast is now the answer. Everyone wanna reach the website as fast as they can. And if your website slows down, it's a problem. And I'm here to help you to fix it. By helping you, I'm helping your clients. I'm helping people who are gonna look to your website. And yes, if I can figure out, you can figure out too. The web in these days is very interactive, very creative. It can actually help you to make some money. It can help you to grow your business. So having a best website, it's in your best interests. Me making this video is very important because here I'm explaining what things I'm gonna focus on. And yes, I love web development, and it's actually neat just to start. What you do is just start. Start watching my videos. I'm gonna have one more explanatory videos that can explain what the topics are gonna be next so that you have a clear understanding what my YouTube channel is about. If you didn't know, graphics are one of the most important part of making websites. It can help your website looks very creative. It can help your website to attract more clients, and it can help your business to grow. I wouldn't be a great developer if I didn't give you a great tip. By the way, Udacity and Google didn't pay me for this, but I did scholarship with both of them. They are an amazing place to upgrade your skills. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye.